Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into how to activate the TikTok Creator Fund in the US. This step-by-step guide will help you turn your engaging content into cash and maximize your earnings on the platform. Let's get started. Step 1. Meet the eligibility requirements. Before you can join the TikTok Creator Fund, you need to meet certain criteria. Make sure you are at least 18 years old, have at least 10,000 followers, have at least 100,000 video views in the last 30 days, have an account in good standing, adhering to TikTok's community guidelines and terms of service. Step 2. Switch to a pro account. If you haven't already, you need to switch to a pro account. Here's how. 1. Open the TikTok app and go to your profile. 2. Tap on the three dots or the three lines in the upper right corner to access settings. 3. Select Manage Account. 4. Tap on Switch to Pro Account and choose a category that fits your content. 5. Follow the prompts to complete the switch. Step 3. Apply for the Creator Fund. Once you have a pro account and meet the eligibility criteria, it's time to apply. 1. Go back to your profile and tap on the three dots or lines again to access settings. 2. Scroll down and select Creator Fund. 3. Read through the information provided and click Apply. 4. Follow any additional instructions and accept the terms to finalize your application. Step 4. Set up direct deposit. To receive your payments, you'll need to set up direct deposit. Here's how. 1. In the Creator Fund section, find the option for payment setup. 2. Enter the required banking information, including your bank account number and routing number. 3. Confirm your information is accurate and save the changes. Step 5. Create engaging content. Now that you're part of the Creator Fund, focus on creating high-quality, engaging content. Here are some tips. Understand your audience and what appeals to them. Utilize trending sounds, hashtags, and challenges. Be consistent with your posting schedule. Engage with your followers through comments and live videos. Step 6. Monitor your earnings. Keep track of your earnings and views to get an idea of what works best. The Creator Fund dashboard will provide insights into how your content is performing and how much you're earning. By following these steps, you can successfully activate the TikTok Creator Fund in the US and start monetizing your creativity. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that like button if you found this guide helpful. Thank you for watching.